there! My name is Charlotte O'Hara and I am the creator of Top Squarespace SEO. So, if you've ever asked, how the heck do I grow my website? Or how do I get people to visit my site? Then my friend, you are in the right place. Let me guess. Right now, you probably have a Squarespace website up and running, but nobody's checking it out. You've spent countless hours and a lot of money getting your site live, but now you're hearing crickets. You know that your ideal audience and your dream clients and customers are out there, but you don't know how to reach them. You've been blogging up a storm, but it feels like each post that you publish goes out into a dark abyss and no one's even reading it. And you know that if you could just get your website in front of the right people, you could help them out with all the amazing products you have, the services you offer, the content you're creating, all of that. So if this sounds like you and you're nodding your head yes to anything I just said, then my friend, I would like to introduce you to Top Squarespace SEO. I am here to solve your problem and teach you everything you need to know about getting more traffic to your website and growing your site using SEO proven strategies. Because believe me, Squarespace SEO is something you can not only learn, but it's also something you can master, just so long as you're following the right steps and the proven strategies that will get you real results. Top Squarespace SEO is open for enrollment right now, but the doors are closing soon. Look, I know you don't want to get left behind online or you don't want to be outpaced by your competition, so I am going to teach you some easy to follow step-by-step processes that you can use so that you can get SEO up and running on your own website, because ultimately that will help you to grow your business. So when you enroll in Top Squarespace SEO, here's how it's going to go down. First of all, your website will actually be able to be found online. You'll also increase traffic to your website and get more email subscribers added to your newsletter. You'll finally connect with and reach your ideal audience online, and that means more clients and more customers. You'll raise brand awareness and establish yourself as a leader in your niche. You'll have way more opportunities to grow your online business. You'll be proud of your tech skills and have a digital strategy that you can use going forward. So whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or more advanced when it comes to SEO, my course, Top Squarespace SEO, is going to take you to that expert status. And if the tech side of SEO has ever held you back in the past because you're worried you're not going to be able to keep up or it's all filled with jargon, then rest assured there's going to be none of that in my course, Top Squarespace SEO. I want to make sure that the content is as accessible and easy to understand and easy to follow as it can be. Within Top Squarespace SEO, I'm sharing my tried and true roadmap with you. It's a surprisingly simple yet effective method that anyone can do, no matter what type of website you have. You just need to follow the steps that I'm laying out in front of you. So my SEO strategies work for anyone, any business, any type of website. So whether you're a blogger, a solopreneur, whether you sell products online in an e-commerce store, or if you have a services-based business, we're going to cover content in this course that makes sense for you and your own situation and needs. SEO is vital, and in my professional opinion, it should be a non-negotiable. Top Squarespace SEO is the leading online course and the top-rated course in this niche. I know that you are going to love it. I know that you're going to see huge value in the course content, and most importantly, I know that you are going to get the results that you are looking for. So once again, I am Charlotte O'Hara. I am a Squarespace SEO expert and experienced web designer and developer, and I am the creator and founder of Top Squarespace SEO. This course is open for enrollment right now, but it's only going to be open for a few more days. So this is your chance to hit that Enroll Now button and join me inside the course. I can't wait to see you there. Bye now.